So today's project is gonna be the Black Mamba. J Hard, J Powder, J Lead, J Crooked, J Burnt. Nigga, Milaka Productions. We are going to take this apart today. It's better, it's a lot better. It's more better. Deja vu. Deja vu. Reminds me of Becky. Look at that. So, yeah, look, good job. He's labeling everything. So like that. Once he put the dash back, he knows where everything goes. He would have to pull out this harness that goes to the engine bay, put it out completely, and reroute it through this area. It's gonna come out through there, and same thing as that side, because this car is kind of weird. We have all these wiring that's coming out of the firewall, like this. He will have to reroute this same way, pull this out, reroute it on this side behind the fenders right here. Boom, 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 and yeah, that'll make the whole bay look cleaner. See, nice. Started labeling everything. It's looking good so far. Getting his baby ready, taking it to Coco Bays so they can finish the whole bay.
Yeah, this ain't right.
Poppy, you gonna just hook it.
Yeah, I'm trying to hook it.
Yeah, just like that.
Boom.
That's just in case. Look at that sexy man. Look at that. Man. Talking about wide load.
A little bit nice if we reach there, doesn't it?
And just wrap it against, I guess you could wrap it with the lower control arm.
Look, John. How about this wayboard?
Or that.
It's not going anywhere.
Well, yeah, that's just in case that shit decides to.
Posti la moca.
Yeah.
Posti la moca.
Oh, damn, you got money.
Yeah.
This is a full exhaust. Oh. Canopy? Coño, you got money, yo.
Yo, your car has mad water inside.
That water?
Yeah, it's leaking on my look.
Yo, how much you pay for this whole exhaust?
My brother bought it for me. 1,000, I think he paid.
Yeah, that's money.
That's my birthday gift.
All right. Here we have the Touring headlights. Installing it on this Accord. Got them quick tab connectors, no tape. Tap in, plug and play. All right, installation's done. 2016, 2017 Honda Accord Touring with the DRL LED replaced. Nice. Big difference. This is the old one.